So hello guys, today we'll go through a particular dashboard that can actually give the complete details in terms of personalities of all the employees of an organization. So this is particularly adapted from a particular site called 16personalities.com. So 16personalities.com is a very famous website that is referred by a lot of people. We actually try to understand the personality traits of people around, maybe in an organization or in a particular academy or in a particular school or a particular hospital, patients, a lot of things. Wherever that you need to understand the particular personality of a person in detail, we use this particular tool called 16 personalities. So here is a sample of the dashboard. So here you can just drop down from this particular cell and you can select any kind of personality based on a code. I am selecting a particular personality, that is INTPA, INTPT. So based on that, this particular superset is connected to an analysis. The person is an analyst basically, so he is a logician, that is subset of the analyst. So he is a logician, but basically is an analyst. And in terms of remarks, you can see that he is an innovative inventor with an unquenchable thirst of knowledge. So that is the kind of trait that is associated with this code. And click on this will take you the website, that is the 16 personality website, that give you complete understanding of what this personality is all about. And this is the AI remarks that is connected with GPT through a custom formula, and GPT will tell what kind of job roles or roles will this person be suited into. So GPT has found that this person can go into research and development departments, technology companies, or wherever a constant innovation or problem solving is required. This person has got an unquenchable thirst which drives into exploring new ideas, challenging them. So wherever this particular JD will be required for a particular job, this person fits into that, or he may not fit into any roles of a sales or a marketing guy. He's a research person. That is what is all about. So let's see how we can find out a way into creating such a sheet. So first we'll go to the site called the 16personalities.com to understand that better. So what we'll do to create this sheet, to create a workflow, first we'll ask the person or the person who comes for the job interview, for example, to fill out a questionnaire which takes about 5 to 10 minutes of time. From there we'll get the code which is something that is connected to any of these things. So you'll get a code that is connected with 16 different personalities. So we get the code and we just input the code here, we just select the code here, and from there you will get the complete results. Also it will actually tell us what this person actually fits into, whether he actually fits into the job role that he is applied into, or he just fits into some other things. So all these aspects. So we'll go to the site first and understand what is it's all about. So this is basically the website. So you can see the personality here. First we will go ahead and do the personality test. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes to actually complete the personality. From there we'll understand what kind of personality is the person, whether he is an analyst, and this is the superset, and the subsets are architect, logician, commander, and debater. Then these codes ENTP hyphen A and ENTP hyphen T are actually connected with to this debater subset, and the superset will be an analyst. Understand what is INTJ, A and T. There are A and T attributes of this particular subset. We'll understand more. I'll just share you the link. We can understand more from that. So we got the supersets like analysts, diplomats, sentinels, and explorers. The entire world community or the entire world people are actually divided into this kind of 16 segments, especially the job community or the kind of people that is around us is all connected to this kind of 16 subsets. So these are the subsets connected to the supersets. We've got 4 supersets, that is the analyst, the diplomats, sentinels, and explorers. So what we have done is just go inside more into what this character is all about. So you will understand what this architect is all about and what is the difference between an A and T attribute. A is a particular assertive architect and T is a turbulent architect. More on detail, you just go to the links that I'll share you behind in the description box so they can understand better. So introduction about that, and what kind of more details into like extroverted or introverted, is intuitive or observant thinking, and his juggling capacities and assertive and turbulent capacities all will be understood in this particular in detail understanding of what the guys are. We can also see like who this particular personalities that is connected to this particular personality trait, like Michelle Obama, Elon Musk, Christopher Nolan are all connected to this particular subset called the analyst, superset called the analyst, and this guy is architect. Okay, so that is the subset. So what we are going to the sheet here. So what we'll do, so we got the questionnaire filled from the employee, and we got the code. So now we'll create a database for that. So where we'll create the database, so what we've done is that we extracted all the codes here. So these are the codes. From there we have extracted the superset. As I mentioned, we got the analyst, we got the diplomats, the sentinels, and the explorers. From there we also extracted the subset, and that is from architect to entertainer. And from there we created the remarks, that is also part of that particular site only. We basically extracted all these from the sites, we scrapped all these details from the site, and these are mentioned here. From there I will connect to a link builder which actually connects to a the particular personality just by click. So I will build that. So if you can see the link here, I can just go here and show you a link. So this is the link, and this is the static part of this, and only this is the dynamic part of this. So if INTJ changes to a different personality term like logician, so what happens is that it comes to INTP. So this is the dynamic part. So how we'll change that, I'll come to this. So we go here. So if you just see here, this is a lowercase, so here it's an uppercase. So what happens is that I convert this particular cell into a lowercase using formula lower m2. So I just drag that, and I'll get all the lower cases for this particular cell, and from there I select the left four letters. So we have, this is the dynamic part, so I'll just select all the letters that is connected to the first four letters. So I just get it till here. From here, this particular formula, I build up the formula that will give me the link that is connected to this particular personality. So what I've done is I use the formula called hyperlink, and this is the static part. This is the dynamic part which changes as per the cell contents here, and again there is a static part. So just click on there and it will connect to the personalities. All right. So here, click on here, you will go to the logician and click on here. It will be the commander, and click on here, it will be a debater, just like that. So automatically created based on the inputs that is there on this particular sheet. So again I'll come back to how we'll do that. So we are till here, we have created the dashboard, we have created the questionnaire, we have got the code, we are now inputting the code, but before that we have made the database for that. So we are created, so there is should be something that we should mention here, and that is we have created the database. Okay, so we've done this. So now what we'll do, we use some xlookup format to basically look up. So here I use the data validation part. So I have selected the entire range that gives me the database. So this is the range, so I have done that, and then this is the superset, and so that I'll just xlookup format, I will look up for this h21 from the list that is connected with the code, and that will the list that I'll be look up this data from, and this is the data from which I need to get that result range. So a very simple formula, that is the subset, and here I just moved from the subset to the superset, the same formula that I use, and I have connected to the subset here. So I'll get the answer here based on the input that is available on the first cell, that is the h21. So I'll get the profile link also based on the xlookup. And now I'll the most interesting part on what is the inference that this particular data gives into what kind of job this person is suited into. You will get details on this also, but here it's more comprehensive because you don't have to toggle between the website and the sheets to understand this. So we are used a custom formula called GPT. So GPT is not by default available on sheets. We have to use an add-on, or you have to actually create a custom formula using the app script. So here I used an add-on. I'll show you how to do that. So here the question is, what role does this personality type take up in an organization? So that is the question, and what is the destination of the question, and that is the value here. From this text, ChatGPT is trying to understand us or make us understand what kind of role this person will sit into. So that is the problem. So here just change this to a different code to make you understand a little bit more. So here I have selected the second one. So this is the analyst, that is a logician, or I'll just click into more. So this is sentinel superset, and he is a defender. That is a subset of this guy. He is a very dedicated and warm protector, always ready to defend their loved ones. So this is the trait of this kind of person. So more on click on here, you will get the details of this guys. uh, what is the kind of profile link in detail on 16 personalities. In an organization, this personality type offer roles that involves caring and protecting others. They're likely to found in positions such as human resources, customer services, team leadership. They can provide and support, ensure well-being of the colleagues. This dedication one makes them excellent team players, and they used to defend and advocate for their co-workers. They also make mentors and coaches. So this is the exact role this person can actually take up into. Okay, so hope this particular video give you elaborate understanding how you use the version personality types as prescribed by 16 personalities and integrate that particular database and give you more insights